The boy in the picture is a primary school student in Tokuyüz County, Bulja in East Turkestan. He went missing the morning of March 2nd on his way to school. On March 5th, his body was found. The kidnappers had taken all his organs. Some children are kidnapped from their own homes. According to our source, a group of masked Chinese men burst into Uyghur villagers' homes and abducted children. 6 are missing from one village since March 2nd. Ilminur is one of the kids that went missing since March 2nd. The Chinese government gathered the people in the town and forced them to falsify the story if anyone asked, and told them to say that the children committed suicide and not killed for their organs. It is well known that China is strictly monitoring and controlling the people of East Turkestan with high technology such as facial recognition cameras, voice recognition cameras, and police checkpoints everywhere. Those Chinese gangs cannot invade Uyghur homes or kidnap Uyghur children in the streets without the Chinese government's support. Beijing forced the Uyghur man who posted a video on social media about missing kids to falsify the story. Moreover, he did not criticize anyone in his video. There are considerable amount of evidences that organ harvesting has also been part of China's program to exterminate the Uyghurs. Most of these organs were likely from concentration camps or prisons, where more than 3 million Uyghurs and other Turkic people of East Turkestan are detained. The American journalist Ethan Gottman's research shows that 25,000 Uyghurs between the age of 25 and 35 are killed annually by the Chinese state. On International Women's Day, dozens of Uyghur mothers carrying photographs of their missing children started to walk to Ankara from Istanbul to raise awareness, as they did on last International Women's Day. They are demanding the whereabouts of their children from the Chinese government. Their children were forcibly removed from their homes in East Turkestan by Beijing while those mothers traveled abroad. According to the New York Times, 500,000 Uyghur kids whose parents were arrested were taken into Chinese concentration camps. It is unclear what has happened to the children. No one was allowed to visit them. My husband was arrested, and my kids were taken away by the Chinese government officials while I was in Turkey. 5 years already. I have no news about them. I don't know if they are still alive. We call mothers in this world to understand our pain and help us, said one of the mothers. German carmaker Volkswagen runs a factory with nearly 600 Uyghur workers that manufactures up to 20,000 vehicles every year. Forced labor was used in its plants during the Nazi times when Volkswagen was founded by the ruling German Nazi Party in 1937. Presently, they are also operating a car plant in East Turkestan where China's ongoing genocide against the Turkic Muslims are happening. Volkswagen is among the companies directly or indirectly benefiting from the usage of Uyghur slaves provided by the China's forced labor programs. East Turkestan Youth Congress started a marathon protest in front of the Volkswagen companies worldwide this month.